Hello, Rudrans.
Hey, Papa, hello. Papa ji, hello.
Hello. Are you ready for test?
Yes, Papa.
Okay. Now identify the birds and give their name.
Eagle.
Okay. Very good. Next.
Hen.
Hen.
Quail.
Very good. Quail.
Pigeon.
Very good.
Owl.
Very good.
Parrot.
Very good.
Penguin.
Very good.
The duck.
Duck. Very good.
Thank you,
What?
Anata.
No. Once again. एक बार और पढ़िए. D.
The duck.
Very good.
Eagle.
Very good.
Hen. Quail.
Very good.
Pigeon.
Very good.
Owl.
Very
Parrot.
good. Parrot and
And
P.
penguin.
Penguin. Thank you.
Thank you, Anata. Bye bye.